Samsung just announced 3 new phones in the Galaxy S22 series and 3 Galaxy Tab S8 tablets. While we've just started the review process for them, here's a quick look. The new Galaxy S22 Ultra looks just like a Galaxy Note. Really, this is a Galaxy Note. Notice the squarer edges than on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, and most of all, notice the built-in S Pen, the same sort of pen you found on the Galaxy Note 20. On the front, the Galaxy S22 Ultra has a 6.8-inch AMOLED screen. On the back, there isn't the unified camera bump you found on the S21 Ultra. Instead, there's a bunch of lenses. Functionally, the lenses are very similar to what's on the S21 Ultra, including the 10x optical zoom. Samsung says that this model takes better night photos, though. The smaller Galaxy S22 and Galaxy S22 Plus look a lot more like their Galaxy S21 counterparts. They look very similar, one's just smaller than the other. Both have rounded matte bodies with a camera bump in the upper left corner. The back material feels more premium than the S21's back did. The big news here is that they've added a real 3x telephoto camera. The S21 models just cropped a high-resolution sensor, and this new camera should offer much sharper zoom shots. The S22 Plus feels like the bigger standard phone, and it has the bigger battery at 4,500 mAh. The smaller S22 lacks some of the S22 Plus's features. It doesn't have 45-watt fast charging, it doesn't have UWB positioning, and it has a smaller battery. But it fits really well in one hand. Let's go to the tablets. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is absolutely huge. You may first encounter it as a laptop, in a case with a backlit keyboard and trackpad. It doesn't look too strange like that, it's a 14.6-inch Android-powered laptop. But take it out of the case and you realize that this is just a huge tablet. The 2 smaller models, called the S8 Plus and the S8, are just more manageable. What the Ultra brings to the table other than size is dual front cameras, which allow for an absolutely terrific background blurring capability in video calls. All 3 models have dual rear cameras, and all 3 are running the same Android 12 on the same 4nm processors. The tablets cost $700, $900, and $1,100 depending on size, and the phones cost $800, $1,000, and $1,200 depending on the model. There will be lots of discounts and promotions though, there always are for Samsung products. We haven't spent much time with these products yet, but we're working on reviews of all of them. Check them out later this month at PCMag.com.